Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Downshift. My name is Orest and I'm cruising here with Nestor.
How's it going, guys?
And so today we are going to pick up the new temporary replacement. We're pretty excited. We're gonna leave this a surprise, so we're gonna show you the dealership and some of the cars in there. And we're gonna go from there and we hope you guys enjoy. So we're moving along the way to the dealership and look, we got a Chevy on the way.
Wow.
I feel like that's a sign. Look, there's a Ferrari over here. So what could this car be?
Are we getting a Ferrari? There's another C8?
There's a BMW dealership. I think we're straight.
Yeah.
Right over there. Look at it. Look at these. See, that's something we got to get into. That 488 right there. A couple Maseratis.
Oh yeah.
Oh baby.
This is looking real nice.
Here we are pulling up to Faff Automotive, which is where the car is.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. We got this Benz right here, but this is, I have not seen one of these in person yet, I don't think.
The wheels are gorgeous.
Oh my god, I think those are 21s. Those are friggin' huge. Or 22s.
Massive
Yeah.
brakes,
Holy, that is a beautiful car.
nuts.
Now this would be a nice addition to the garage. That right there is what you want to add to your collection. So is this the next car?
Jeez. Might be a little out of the budget, eh?
This one? I think you just got to get to DDE status and then maybe. Wow, check this thing out. All right, so without further ado,
This is the car!
This is it.
2018 BMW M2.
So we're getting back in the same car.
Back into the BMW. 1 year newer, different paint color.
Check it out.
But we're getting into the BMW here.
Let me get the front and we can get a start up. Hold on. Look at this. Yo, it looks nice in the white.
Yeah?
The blue was nice, but this is like a nice change up.
Yeah, I feel like if we add a lot of carbon fiber to it, lower it a
Some
bit,
gold
some
wheels
nice
or something?
Something
All right,
crazy
let's get
like
a start up. Let's do
All
it.
right, let's do it.
Is that comfort? All right, we've got it idled, so let's get a few revs. Oh my god, such a good sounding engine. That
4,000.
That N55 sounds so much better than the M3 and M4.
The competition too of the M2 is not as good as this. This just sounds so good. So
Oh man.
I'm excited. I'm excited to get back in this and see how it feels.
So you gotta get this, and then I gotta get something.
Yeah.
And then Z06 coming.
Z06 when that comes out, man.
Oh man, this is gonna be fun. All right, well enjoy the drive home.
Yes, sir. You want to get in the passenger or no? Just
Actually,
drive for a bit.
yeah, let's go for a quick
Yeah, let's
spin.
go
Why
for
not? What's that?
It feels so different.
Oh yeah, I remember this.
Remember this?
But the difference on this one is you have this stitching now because yours was a
Yeah,
2017.
and look, this is carbon fiber. Mine was not carbon
It
fiber.
was.
No.
It was.
This extended out in 2018.
Did
This
it?
was not here. Nope, it was right here, cut off.
Oh, okay.
And I don't even think this is carbon fiber.
Okay, and then look,
This,
and digital dash is a huge
yeah, that's
change.
big. That's
huge
big.
change.
Honestly, the steering wheel looks really nice, but this is smaller than the
Yeah.
C8. The C8 was nicer for
And
the
this is
paddles.
touchscreen now.
Yeah. That's crazy. And they updated the design and stuff.
Look at this shifter. Definitely not a C8 shifter.
Not
Quite a
one
bit different.
Not one bit.
But we're still double clutch, which is good.
Of course, you got to keep that. I almost forgot how to drive, to be honest with you. It's like, geez, what do I do here? All right. Oh yeah, it feels a lot different, that's for sure. Steering wheel is honestly a little tighter than the C8 in sport mode.
Yeah, well, to be fair, it wasn't Z51.
Yeah, it wasn't Z51. I guess I'll take a lefty here.
Yeah, just give it a
I
little
don't know
bit.
how low it is.
Go
I
over
feel like
yeah, go over the speed bump, give it a little bit of a pull. Let's just see what this is like.
Oh, the burbles. I miss those. I miss those burbles.
Give it a little bit of a. Oh, we got some spins.
It just spins because of the.
It's all about the turbo.
The brakes are really. You know what? I will
Nice.
say the brakes feel better than the C8 actually.
Maybe I'll put my seatbelt on here.
Yeah. It's weird having a normal steering wheel again and not having a squircle, you know?
I like this one better personally. I know people are gonna hate me for that, and you know what? They might give us a little bit of shit for going back into a BMW.
Oh, that's a copper right there.
Ah, it's okay. It's a stay-at-home order, guys. Stay at home. All right, so we got to stop by McLaren and pick up some paperwork and
Now,
check
those are beauties.
that out.
Those are
720S,
absolute
and what's
beauties.
behind that? Oh, it's the new one. That's the GT
Yeah.
with the GT license. Look at that. Some cops. Alrighty. Oh, I like the 720, but I think it's way too much power.
It looks really good to me.
I've driven one in comfort, and it was just like ridiculous.
Yeah. No, it looks really nice. I honestly, I'm not a huge fan of the wheels.
You could change those, it's no big deal.
Yeah.
The dihedral doors, look at this. With the gap. Whew, what do we got in there? Oh dude, it's a Senna.
Oh my god, is it actually?
That's fire.
Damn.
Holy cow, what do they got in there?
The wing on that guy just looks absolutely ridiculous.
Look at this, eh? No P1 though, it's okay. But that is insane. Holy. Now this is something we should get right here. M4 CS, what a beauty. Look at that color. Holy. Next to a beautiful GT3, let's go.
Alright gents, here we are the next day, and we're sitting in the BMW M2. I've had about 12 hours to drive this thing, and man, it feels quite different than I remember it. Now, for those that don't know, I had a 2017 BMW M2 from the end of 2016 to the end of 2019 before we got in the Corvette C8, and I don't remember it being like this whatsoever. This is actually a really sick car. So this being the 2018 version, there's actually quite a lot of updates to my 2017. 2018 is the year they did the refresh or the update, and you know, there's a lot of stuff that they actually updated, which is really cool, and I'll go over that in a separate video. But I'm really liking this car right now. I don't remember the exhaust sounding this good. I'll give you guys a quick little demo here. Let me roll down the window. There's a little highway behind me, so can't be too loud here. Let's pop it into neutral just by going to the side like that. We are in Sport Plus, so let's hear what we got here. Quite a few burbles, man. I absolutely love that about this exhaust. So for those of you wondering, this is obviously not a one-to-one replacement of the Corvette C8. That car we ended up selling for $100,000, and this was actually under $50,000. So basically half the price of the Corvette C8, and in my opinion, definitely more than half the value of the C8. Now, of course, you know, MSRP, the Corvette C8 is unbeatable, but this thing for a used vehicle for its price is pretty awesome. Now, if all things go well, we're going to be keeping this bad boy all the way up until the Z06 comes out. Now, this is going to be kind of like a track car and a project car mixed together. We're not going to go all out and tear apart this thing for the project car. It's going to be the first car that I really want to do some solid engine mods to. Of course, we're going to do aesthetic and appearance mods as well, maybe vinyl wraps, a bunch of carbon fiber, maybe lower it, put some springs on it, of course new wheels, all that good stuff. But that, of course, is going to be in a future video. So right now we have the car. I'm enjoying it bone stock right now, but mods are definitely going to be on the way really soon. Right now it's the end of January here in Canada, and so the weather is pretty cold. Definitely not warm enough to do any kind of fun stuff. You know, no racing, no track content, unfortunately, no drifting either, but we will be getting to that stuff really soon. It's been a rather warm winter here in Canada, so I think in a couple of months from now we'll be good to go, and it'll be the car season yet again. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think of the purchase down below in the comments. Of course, it is not a C8, it's not as good. This thing's only got 365 horsepower with a turbo though, so it's definitely a different feel to the throttle, and I do like turbos quite a lot because you get that boost of power. So again, comment down below, drop a like if you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.